Imagine saving and investing tax-free. Yes, it's possible. Did you know you can save up to £20,000 tax-free every year with individual savings account or ISAs? Whether you are looking to grow your wealth, save for your first home, or just keep your money safe from taxes, ISAs are your go-to financial tool. In this video, I will cover everything you need to know about ISAs, how they work, the types available, and how to maximize your savings. And hey, if you want more financial tips, my name is Rubina and I'm a qualified accountant with over 20 years professional experience. Please consider subscribing so you never miss out on financial tips that could change your life. Overview of ISAs. ISAs are government-backed accounts that let you save up to £20,000 per tax year, tax-free. That is right, no tax on the interest, income, or capital gains from your investments. There are four main types of ISAs: cash ISA, perfect for safe, steady growth; stocks and share ISAs, ideal if you're looking for potentially higher returns; innovative finance ISAs, want to try peer-to-peer lending, this is your ticket; lifetime ISAs, save for your first home or retirement with a bonus. The choice is yours, and the best part, you can split your allowances across multiple types. Who can open an ISA? You need to be 18 or older, under 40 for lifetime ISAs, a UK resident, or a member of the armed forces, or a crown servant overseas. Parents, you can also open junior ISAs for your children under 18, giving them a head start on their savings journey. How ISAs work? Here is an example. Let's say you have got 20,000 to invest this year. You could divide it into 10,000 in a cash ISA for stability, 5,000 in a stocks and shares ISA for growth, and 5,000 in an innovative finance ISA for something new. The key, all of it grows without you losing a penny to taxes. Why does this matter? Because taxes can eat into your returns. With ISAs, every pound you save stays in your pocket. And here is another hack. ISAs are flexible. Withdraw money and put it back within the same tax year without losing your allowance, as long as your provider offers a flexible ISA. Still not convinced? Let me ask you this. Would you rather let inflation shrink your hard-earned money or put it into something that grows? Investing in an ISA is not just smart, it is empowering. And if you are worried about getting started, don't be. How to open and manage ISAs? Opening an ISA is easy. You can get one from banks, building societies, stockbrokers, or even crowdfunding platforms. Just contact the provider directly to set up your account. If you are managing ISAs for someone else, like a loved one who needs help, you will need a lasting power of attorney or similar authorization. Withdrawing and transferring ISAs. Need to withdraw money? No problem. ISAs let you withdraw cash anytime without losing the tax benefits. If your ISA is flexible, you can even withdraw and replace the money in the same tax year without affecting your allowance. And transferring ISAs? That is simple too. Move your savings between various providers or types of ISAs without losing the tax benefits. Just make sure you follow the transfer process instead of withdrawing the funds. What happens if you move abroad? If you move abroad, you can't add more money to your ISA, but don't worry. You can still keep your savings and enjoy the tax-free benefits in the UK. Plus, if you return as a UK resident, you can start contributing again, inheriting ISAs. If a loved one passes away, you can inherit their ISA allowance, adding a tax-free amount up to the value of their ISA at the time of their death. It is a thoughtful way to ensure financial security for their family. So, are you ready to take control of your savings and grow your wealth? Open an ISA today and start saving tax free. And remember, whether it is budgeting, saving, or investing, this channel is your go to for actionable financial advice. Subscribe now and click that bell icon to never miss an update. Invest smarter, save more.